Hi guys, and welcome back to another Dafty in the garden. Welcome to the channel. It's good to see you. This week I'm going to be talking about vermicomposting. Now that's just worm castings, which in gardening terms is black gold, and that's this stuff here. It's absolutely perfect for the garden. This is called a stacked worm bin. Let's get on to showing you how to make these guys beds, how to feed these guys. Now, as you can see, I'm starting again with another one of these black buckets. There is lots and lots of holes at the bottom for drainage, and also for the worms to actually get between one bucket to the other. Also, a lot of little tiny holes all the way around here for air circulation. These guys breathe. First thing, you think of bedding, you think is shredded up kind of cardboards, newspapers, things like that. So basically that's what I'm going to be putting under now, and you can see this is quite dry, this stuff. We don't want it to keep that way, so what we need to do is we need to wet it down. So if I go and get my hose and we'll kind of make this like a wrung out sponge. Right, here we go. Right, so that's me watered this down. I'm just going to mix it all in together, making sure it is not too wet, not too dry. Let's see the consistency of this. Right, that's what I was talking about. That's what you don't want your bin to be, is that droplets there. So that's too much water. Try and dry that off over here. A couple of bits of cardboard here. Let's have a look at this now. Aye, that's the consistency you want. Well sprung, run on its bridge. There we go. So that's that's the cardboard in, and I would just leave that for 24 hours before you want to add really any worms on top. All I would be doing here is using these kind of kitchen scraps here. Now it's all old, mouldy. Don't just put veg and things like that in it that's fresh. You eat that. You put your rubbish, fruits and veg in here. Now, as I say, there's a few things that you don't really want to put in your worm bin. Now, there's a couple of reasons for quite a lot of them. You can do it. It's your choice. It's your worm bin after all. But I wouldn't be putting meats. I wouldn't be putting anything with acid in it, so that would be lemons, limes, oranges, basically anything with an acidy kind of substance in it. Other things I wouldn't be putting in it is like eggs, like poultry, compost, unless it's really been composted down. It's the old compost, not the stuff that's going to heat up in the worm bin, because you don't want to harm them, because if you put that in, you'll just cause one, that if it's the meat, a smell, and encourage rats, and then the rats come, they eat the meat, eat the worms, and there's nothing left. If you get anything that smells really in there, the acid stuff, it basically burns the worms, so you're just going to kill them. It's not the best environments. Things you want to put in is, as it says, you need something for the worms to actually digest a little bit easier, so something with a bit of grit in it. Right, I mean, so a lot of people put sand in, rock lime, that kind of thing. They're just granules. Sawdust, you can put that in. As long as it's not treated wood, you don't want to poison, again, anything that it's poisonous to us. You don't really want to give to them. So if you're giving them like shredded up newspaper, letters, any of your junk mail, you don't want anything with shine on it. That's toxins. That's not great. And some of these, there's plastic linings on that as well. They won't eat that stuff. That's just a waste of time. Yeah, you'll be either spending most of your time taking the plastic out, or you kill your worms. Other things is envelopes. You'll see these clear covers on them. Again, they'll eat the rest of the envelope, but when it comes to it, you're going to be pulling out these plastic slips every time you're sifting through your compost. And I think that's me covered pretty much everything. So all it's left for me to do is to blend this stuff up, get it fed to the worm bin, and leave them to it. So thanks again guys for watching. This is Dafty in the garden. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. You're basically being like the Batman, and basically putting the Joker in the acid vat, and just, I mean, it's just not a happy environment for them. So don't put acid in with your worms unless you want a Gotham villain.